Wow. Okay, friends. So I just came upon this praying mantis friend chilling right outside of the house here. I'm going to try to get a better look at them, but I think they're chilling for a bit. We could probably make some good effort to see what they look like. So let's go for it. Let's see. They don't seem super scared. Are they going to crawl up? Looks like it. There they go. Come on. Nope, nope. Come on. Okay, let's see if I can get them up on my... Nope. They are not into it. They are not into coming into my hand. So I'm going to let them be, and we're just going to get to watch them for a minute. Look at the way that their little arms at the end, they curve. Look at how awesome of a climber they are. They got a lot of rocks here to climb. Let's see if they'll make it. Where are you going, friend? Super cool bug sighting. I like to do bug observation anytime I see really cool bugs. Just watch what they do. Their bodies are really fascinating. They have so many adaptations unique to each of them that allows them to navigate their environment. I'm really impressed by this friend. Let's see if we can get closer. What do we notice about their legs? There's 3 of them on each side. And they got this really awesome body back here. Never seen one this color before. So that's new for me. I wonder what that tapping means when they tap on the rock, or if they're just trying to find somewhere to grab. Alright, let's let that friend do their thing. Okay. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my show and tell today. That was cool. I'm glad to be able to share it with you. Bye, friends.